Hi, thank you for tuning into our first podcast at Excellence Industries. Today we're going to run through a quick overview of our company. Excellence Industries has been a national leader in commercial refrigeration for the food and food service industry for the last 50 years. Our team innovates, manufactures, distributes, and services refrigeration units for major brands and chains like Nestle, Unilever, Red Bull, Marriott, Wells Blue Bunny, Pepsi, and Kraft. We provide a complete continuum of partnership, including a proprietary recycling process that utilizes the most advanced green technology and exceeds EPA standards. Our strategically placed warehouses in Tampa, Florida, Reno, Nevada, Cleveland, Ohio, and Nashville, Tennessee allow us to serve our clients time efficiently and cost effectively. We're not just in this business for the thrill of the chill. We're in it to find better refrigeration solutions for our customers and for the commercial cooling industry as a whole. Let's briefly review our customer-centric business model, aka the cycle of excellence. Innovation. We collaborate with factories around the world to constantly improve our products and discover better refrigeration solutions for our clients. Oftentimes, clients come to us with specific requests. Always up for a challenge, we'll gladly design a cooler to fit your business needs. Logistics and distribution. We understand that time is money too. By creating a customized logistical strategy to suit your company's needs, we can keep your freight costs at a minimum and deliveries on time. Service. We believe routine maintenance is the key to maximizing your investment in the product's performance. Through our extensive service network, we can keep your coolers in check and generating profits for your company. Leasing. Excellence Industries also offers leasing options. We feel that purchasing a refrigerator should never freeze your cash flow and are more than willing to work with you. Recycling. At Excellence, sustainability is more than just a marketing tactic or distant mission statement. We take pride in our green efforts and the 3-step decommissioning program we developed for commercial refrigerators. Known as the Excellence Environment Company, EECO handles the logistics, breakdown, and disposal of your retired units, as well as all the EPA paperwork.